Hello everyone. So today our topic is kernel of linear transformation and range of linear transformation and how to find a kernel of T and range of T and as well as rank and nullity of T. Okay. So we have a linear transformation from one vector space to another vector space V. Okay, over same field. So now what is kernel of T? So, kernel of T or null space of T. Okay. So, this is a set of all those element of U. Okay. All those element of U who maps 0 vector of V. Okay. So, definition says that all element of U, it means all element of U. Okay. Such that whose mapping is 0. Okay, clear the definition of null space. So uh, we will take an example and check how to find a kernel of T. Okay, so question is T maps R2 to R2 such that T of xy is x plus y comma x minus y. Okay, now we are finding the kernel of T. Okay, so by definition kernel of T is elements of first vector space. So general element of R2 is xy. Okay, so xy belongs to R2 such that T of xy, it means definition says that mapping of that element is 0. Okay, so for kernel T, taking this condition, okay, so take T of xy is equal to 0. So now what is our T of xy in our question? So T of xy is x plus y and x minus y is equal to 0. Now solving this condition and find the values of x and y. So 0, it means 0 comma 0. Okay, so by comparing we will get x plus y is equal to 0 and x minus y is equal to 0. Okay, so by second equation is x is equal to y. Now putting these value in equation 1, so we will get x is equal to y is equal to 0. So our kernel is only 0 0 element. Okay, clear? So what is our kernel of this transformation? So kernel of T is 0 0 element. Okay, so now if we ask the dimension of kernel T, so what is the dimension of kernel T? Here for dimension we will find the basis of kernel of T. Okay, so firstly 0 0 vector or any 0 vector is linearly dependent vector. When linearly dependent vector in this set, so basis of kernel T is 5. Okay, no element in this set. Okay. So now dimension of kernel T is, so therefore dimension of kernel T is 0 because there is no element of basis set of kernel T. Okay, and this term is also called as nullity of T. So here our two concept is clear. First is kernel of T, or you can say that null space of T, and second is nullity of T, that means dimension of kernel of T. Okay, so now move forward. So next concept is our range of T, range of this linear transformation. Okay, so if I ask the range set of a function f from A set to B, okay, so what is our range? Range is our the element of B. Okay, range is our the all element of B that has pre-image in A. Okay, so now here the same way only range set of T is all element of V. Okay, all element of V that has pre-vector in U. Okay, so it means all element of V कैसे denote करेंगे? So we denote the element of V as T of U. Okay, so all linear mapping of U element such that and TU is belongs to V and U belongs to capital U. Okay, so range set is clear. Range set, it means all element of V that has mapping. Okay, so now in the same question, what is the range of this set? Okay, so by solving, पहले definition लिख लेते हैं. So definition says that range set is all element of this all mapping of this element or all element of this set, second vector space. So definition is T of xy. Okay, this T of xy belongs to R2, this R2. Okay, and this xy is belongs to R2, but which R2? This R2. Okay, फर्स्ट वेक्टर स्पेस के एलिमेंट पर ही टी अप्लाई होता है एंड रिजल्ट गोज टू सेकेंड वेक्टर स्पेस. ओके, सो रेंज सेट इज क्लियर. ओके, नाउ सॉल्विंग वी विल गेट इज इक्वल टू टी ऑफ एक्स वाई. व्हाट इज टी ऑफ एक्स वाई? टी ऑफ एक्स वाई इज गिवन इन ordered pair of x plus y comma x minus y such that this xy belongs to R real numbers. Okay, so range set is obtained. ये मिल गया रेंज सेट, यही रेंज सेट है. ठीक है, अब we will find the dimension of range set T. Okay, so for dimension of range set we need the basis set of range set. Okay, so from this set how to find the basis set? Okay, so for finding the basis set we will spanning element, we need a spanning element and that spanning element need to be independent also. Okay, so हम क्या करेंगे? Here number of unknowns check करेंगे. Okay, so how many unknowns are there in this set? There are 2 unknowns. Okay, so separate these unknowns. X into ordered pair plus y into second ordered pair such that xy belongs to R. Okay, so taking x common. Okay, so क्या हो जाएगा यहाँ पे? अंदर क्या आ जाएगा? x कॉमन लोगे तो आप यहाँ से होगा आपका 1 एंड सेकेंड एंट्री इज ऑल्सो 1. y कॉमन लेने के बाद what will come? 1 comma minus 1. Okay, now these two elements are the spanning elements of this range set. Okay, clear? So 1 comma minus 1, 1 comma minus 1, 1 comma 1 and 1 comma minus 1 are spanning element बोल दो या फिर स्पैनिंग एलिमेंट्स बोल दो या फिर डायरेक्टली बोल दो स्पैन RT. ओके, एंड कभी कभी रैंक को हम R से भी डिनोट करते हैं, सो इसको कंप्लीट लिखो रेंज ऑफ T. ओके, सो दिस सेट हैविंग 2 एलिमेंट्स आर स्पैनिंग RT एंड ऑल्सो लीनियरली इंडिपेंडेंट. ठीक है, लीनियरली इंडिपेंडेंट कैसे चेक करते हैं? टेक लीनियर कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ दीज एलिमेंट्स, पुट इज इक्वल टू 0 एंड फाइंड द स्केलर्स. ओके, सो जब आप इनको इक्वल टू 0 0 पुट करोगे जैसे हमने कर्नल टी में पुट किया था, तो वी विल फाइंड x इज इक्वल टू y इज इक्वल टू 0. ओके, सो दीज एलिमेंट आर इंडिपेंडेंट ऑल्सो. सो वी कैन से दैट दिस सेट हैविंग दीज 2 एलिमेंट्स आर बेसिस फॉर RT. ओके, या फिर रेंज सेट T. ठीक, चलो रेंज ही लिख देते हैं इसको, for range set T. Okay, so if we find the basis for RT, okay, so now what will be the dimension of this range set T? So dimension is 2. Dimension of range set T is 2. Dimension is the number of element in the basis set of RT. Okay, so clear? And this term is denoted by, is called rank of linear transformation T. Okay, so clear what is kernel T, what is nullity, and what is range at T, and what is rank T. Okay, so हम ऐसे ही अपने सारे क्वेश्चंस सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. ठीक, सो सी यू ऑन नेक्स्ट वीडियो. थैंक यू.